safety guy, aka the safety coordinator on the pad. He'll let you know when it's time to come on the pad. Follow his or her directions. And if you don't, it'll piss them off, trust me. They'll start giving you directions with an attitude. So yeah, once they tell you to come on the pad, you just pull up. They're gonna point to where you're gonna park at. And that's important because once you pulling up, you'll know how to set up. So when he start telling you to back up, you already know. I have an idea of what he's doing. Now pay attention to their hands. See that sign he just did? That means stop. Now he's saying just go straight backwards. Just keep going straight backwards. Pay attention to the hands at all times. Now see how his hand just went in that direction? That means turn your trailer in that direction, not your tires. A lot of people turn their tires and that just mess them all up. He's saying put your trailer in that direction. See there? So now to his left, he's saying go over. And now he's saying go a little over to his right. And now he's just saying keep straight back, keep straight. If he's not doing anything, a lot of times it's because that means you're good to go, you're lined up right. Just keep on backing in. Now there's someone back there too. It's always two of them. So someone's back there, so keep looking in your mirrors because they're going to tell you when to stop. And you saw a few seconds ago when he waved for the next truck to come on. That's how you know when it's time for you to come on to the pad. They'll wave and let you know that. Once you're parked, you just give them your paperwork, put on your PPE gear, and it's time to unload.